Hello, welcome to this lecture video. So this is a continuation of the multiple linear regression. So as mentioned that in our previous video, we are going to answer this problem. So it is about the objective of the business to come up now with or rather to determine now what variables influence their sales. So it is about the Omni Foods. So given the data set, so this is the data set. So I just transfer this by encoding it in Microsoft Excel. So the first column here is the sales. The second column is the price, and the third column is the promotion. The sales is our dependent variable, so it is the Y. Sale price is one of the independent variables, and promotion is also one of the independent variables. So if you still recall how we generated regression of a simple linear. So it is also the same when we are dealing with two or more independent samples. So you just need to make sure again that data analysis is in your Microsoft Excel. So what you need to do is to click data analysis, and then locate regression and click OK. So here, our input Y range is the sales. So you just need to select the sales. So this is the sales. And since I selected the first row, which is the label, I have to check the labels. And then for the X range, since we have two variables involved here, we have to select the two columns, the price and the promotions. And then actually, there's no need to check for all other things that is in our windows. But if you just want to see what will be the result, you can click anything here, just like the residuals, normal probability, and the others. And then just click OK. Let us see. So what went wrong to our data? Sorry. Let us change our Y range. So as mentioned, we just need to select the values of sales. And then C2D will be our input X. Then click OK. So this is now the generated regression result. So just like with our simple linear regression, however, it is very difficult to look at the value of our values here because it overlaps, like the price line fit flat, promotion lines fit, because we actually have two or more variables. That's why it is not applicable to still check the line when we are dealing with multiple linear regression. And then let's go back to our data. So we have the first input, the multiple R. So this is the result of R, 0.87. Our R squared is 0.7577, adjusted R squared. So in our previous video, we mentioned that what matters is the adjusted R squared if we have two or more variables. And then let's move to the next table. So looking at the second table here, the ANOVA result. So as mentioned also in the simple linear regression table last time, the ANOVA table or the F test result reveals if there is multiple linear, significant multiple linear relationship or model. So here, since the probability value or the p-value is 2.86 times 10 raised to negative 10 or e negative 10, so it means that this is again almost equal to 0, indicating that there is a significant linear relationship. Now, if we will move to the next table, So this is now the table that represents the formula that we need because it shows us what is the model. So this is equal to y is equal to our values is 3.61. So if we let the price be our x sub 1, if this is x sub 1, and the promotion is x sub 2, so it means that y is equal to, we have a negative 53.2172 x sub 1 plus 3.613, or let us change this into two decimal places only. So it's 22 and 3.61 x sub 2 plus the y-intercept is equal to 5837.521. So let us make this bigger. So this is the value of our y. Y is equal to negative 53.22 x sub 1 plus 3.61 x sub 2 plus 5837.521. So this means that in every 1 unit increase in price, it means that there is a decrease of negative 53.22 in the sales. While if there is 1 unit increase in the promotion, it means that there is a 3.61 increase in the sales. And of course, if we set x sub 1 and x sub 2 into 0, which means that there is no price and there is no promotion, there is y-intercept of 5,837.52. That again, it doesn't make sense at all if our reference is that. How is it possible that there is still a sale when in fact there is no price and there is no promotion? So again, just like with our interpretation, some in a simple linear regression, so sometimes the value of the y-intercept doesn't make sense. Not unless again that if you're going to claim that this is the value that can be obtained through other factors, that it is possible that there is still a sale maybe from other items or other business under the same company. So looking at the p-value here, so this is the t-result. So if you recall, the t-statistics or the t-test reveals last time, it is the same with the value of f because simply because we only have one variable involved. But in the case of this, we have the multiple linear regression, so it involves two variables. The meaning of this or the interpretation is that it can reveal now which of this two variable is a significant predictor. And if we will just go to the p-value result, again, 9.2 2 negative E negative 0.9 means that it is again almost zero. The same with the promotion, which is 9.82 E negative 0.06. So simply, this means that price is a significant predictor and promotion is also a significant predictor of the sales. Okay, that is all for this video. Thank you for watching.